Welcome back to Mundo Explained. Today we'll be taking a look at pronoun cases. First of all, a pronoun is a word that can take the place of a noun. So instead of saying Tom, the noun, we could instead say I or he, him in my personal case. Personal pronouns have three different cases: subjective, objective, and possessive. We need to make sure these all agree. So let's say we want to write the sentence, Brianna sang a song. We could change the noun to a pronoun. We just have to make sure that we use the right case, so the subjective, objective, or possessive. In this example, we could use I, if I was Brianna and I was singing the song, or we could use she. She sang a song. Both of these cases work because I and she are subjective. They show that Brianna is the one singing the song. We couldn't say her sang a song though, because her isn't a subjective pronoun. As you might guess, a subjective pronoun is one doing the action. He is drawing. He is the subject of the sentence. An objective pronoun is receiving the action of the sentence or is the object of a prepositional phrase. Susie is drawing him. Susie is drawing a picture of him. And then you have a possessive pronoun which indicates possession or ownership. That is his drawing. So as a final example, let's try and make a sentence that puts all of those together. He went with him to his car. Here we have the subjective pronoun he. Now he could be anyone who identifies as male. The objective pronoun here is him, because it is the object of the preposition with. And finally we have the possessive pronoun his car. However, this sentence should hopefully show you the dangers of using pronouns too much, even if they're used correctly. It's clear that there are two male people here, but which owns the car? Perhaps here we should clarify with a better sentence. He went to his car with Stephen. This helps us clarify that the car belongs to the he mentioned at the beginning and not to Stephen. Pronouns are words that take the place of nouns. Pronouns have three cases: subjective, objective, and possessive. Making sure that we use the right case in the right situation helps us clarify what we mean and what is happening in our sentence, who or what is acting, who or what is being acted upon, and if anything possesses anything else. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. I looked at the wrong bit. Sorry.